Build a cat with a wagging tail. Sketch the body and tail separately on a sheet of cardboard. You will also need to create a cardboard stand for the body to sit up with the tail wagging from behind. Cut the pieces out. Next, you will prepare the Quirkbot already programmed to move the servo motor. Slide the backpack on the back and then attach the motor to header 1. Make sure the black cable is aligned with the black line. Attach the motor mounts to each side of the motor, then screw the Strawbee arm in. Tape the tail on the servo arm. Turn on the Quirkbot and place the servo motor on its side with the Strawbee plug pointing up on the base of the cardboard stand. Identify where the base of the tail will move from the body. Mark a dot on the cardboard body at about the level of the plug. This is one point where you'll be securing the servo motor down. Punch a hole through, trimming the excess cardboard from the edges. Then snap a Strawbee on the mounts. Add washers to both ends. As you test the movement, you may need to change the position of the cardboard tail a few times so it doesn't hit the table surface. Poke a hole into the stand to place the opposite end of the motor mount plug into this cardboard stand and then add washers. Poke a hole through the neck of the cat and add Strawbees as washers for a joint to hold the Quirkbot in place. Slip the horn of the Quirkbot through the head to hang like a tag on the collar. Draw a face and a collar to view its expression. Switch your furry friend on and watch the tail sway back and forth.